Hey there, Wheat Ridge, Arvada, Lakewood, and the rest of West Metro Denver. I'm Susie Stewartson with the Summit Team, your local real estate expert, and I'm here to break down what's happening in our housing market and what it means for you. Whether you're thinking of buying, selling, or just watching from the sidelines, this is the kind of update you don't want to sleep on. Let's dig in. So new listings, we saw 899 new single-family listings hit the market in August. That is the lowest since our normal winter low and the lowest number for August in the last 10 plus years. Why it matters. Sellers are pulling back. Normally, August still rides the summer wave. But this year, people are hesitant, uncertain about the rate and prices. Buyers don't expect a fresh flood of homes. The competition isn't gone, it's just slower. Now, sellers, every lever counts: price, prep, and timing. Miss on one, and you'll feel it. Active listings. There were 2,132 homes actively for sale in August. That's a slight dip from last 3 months, and it's the highest inventory we've seen in August over the last 10 years. Translation: the frenzied bidding wars are over, at least for now. And this isn't a soft market. Demand is still strong in the neighborhoods everyone wants. The difference? Your home has to shine. Great photos, sharp marketing, and nailing the price up front are non-negotiable. Now, pending sales clocked in at 779, right in line with the last couple of months, but still the third lowest August in the past decade. Now, what that tells us, buyers are still here, but they're picky. With more inventory and stable rates, they've got choices, and they're using them. This isn't a bad thing. It's a healthier, more balanced market than we've seen in years. Now, closed sales. We had 772 closed sales in August, continuing a downward trend from the previous months and making the third lowest August in 10 years. That combo of more homes for sale and fewer closings says it all. Buyers are pacing themselves. Overpriced homes, they're sitting. And when they finally sell, it's usually for less. Now, days on market, homes are taking longer to sell. Median days on market jumped from 15 to 23, the highest August and the highest non-winter month we've seen in over a decade. Now, why that's important? This isn't collapse, it's correction. More inventory plus choosier buyers means homes without the right price or polish are collecting dust. So for buyers, it's breathing room. No need to panic buy. For sellers, it's motivation to get serious. Now, prices, the median asking price held steady at $699,000 for July and August, showing a downward trend since January, but a mild increase, less than 1% year over year. Now, closed prices for homes are telling another story. Prices of homes that sold was $680,000 and are still on a slight downward trend for the year, and also lower than the previous August last year. What this means: sellers are trimming list prices and negotiating more once offers come in. Price reductions are becoming the norm. The lesson? Start sharp. A realistic list price on day one saves weeks on the market and usually nets you more at the closing table. Now, expired listings, a stat we rarely talk about but need to now. Expired listings in August hit 263 expired home listings, the highest number for any month outside of December in the past decade. There were only 2 months with higher numbers. What's driving it? Overpriced, underprepped, and poorly marketed homes are getting timed out. Buyers won't waste their time if your home doesn't wow in photos, and in person and on paper, you're toast. Months of inventory, here's a shift. Months of inventory, basically how long it would take to sell all current listings at today's pace, is now at 3 months. 3 months is the highest we've had in over 10 years, and we now have at least 3 months in a row. Why this matters? Sellers don't bank on bidding wars. You've got to earn every offer. Buyers, finally, some breathing room, but the best priced homes still go fast. Final thoughts. This isn't the chaos of 2021, and it's not a dead market either. It's a smarter, more strategic market. If you're selling, you need more than a sign in the yard. If you're buying, you need more than Zillow. Either way, you need someone who can read the shifts before they happen. I'm Susie Stewartson with the Summit Team, your local expert in West Metro Denver. Let's connect and map out your next move. Whether you're curious about your home's value or ready to make it happen. Want your home to be the next success story? Let's talk.